This is about recognizing the years of service that you have given and ensuring that your journey as an educator is filled with dignity, with respect, and with growth. This administration is also preparing and investing for the long term. The Senate and Congress have already proposed the 2026 budget for DepEd. Meanwhile, we have allocated 26.55 billion pesos for DepEd programs from the funds of the flood control projects, which we have deemed not to be viable. These funds will be directed to increase funding for classrooms, child nutrition, teacher compensation, and technology in schools. Because we believe that education is the best investment that any nation can make in its people. Then, kaya sa DepEd at sa iba pa natin mga ahensya, ipapatupad ang mga reformang tunay na aaabot sa malalayong komunidad, magpapabuti sa kalidad ng pagtuturo at maghahanda sa ating mga estudyante para sa mundong mabilis na nagbabago. At sa ating mga guro, ang tunay na tagumpay ng edukasyon ay hindi lamang sa talino ng ating mga kabataan, kundi pati sa kanilang kabutihan at panindigan. Dahil ang katalinuhan na walang integridad ay walang saysay. Ngunit ang kabutihan at karunungan, yan ang magtataguyod ng ating bagong Pilipinas. Ladies and gentlemen, you here are the guiding hands, and in your hands, our nation's progress is held. In your strength, in your wisdom, and in your courage, we find the assurance that our future is secure. On this National Teachers' Day, we offer you our respect, our deepest gratitude for shaping minds, touching hearts, and in your way, building a nation that we can be proud of, one student at a time. Today is your day to all our teachers, but the future you are creating, you give as a gift to us all. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang ating mga guro. Muli, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Happy National Teachers Day.